welcome back to Unicorn Friends. It's me, Anya, and today we're making a pizza. Look, this is the pesto balsamic, pine nuts, feta, mozzarella, tomato sauce, cheese mix, basil pesto, olives, and rocket leaves. It also has the dough underneath. And it also has oil. So yeah. Oh my god, the pizza smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. And we'll top it off with these rock leaves and this Ebu oil. So let's put it in the oven. This smells so good. Now let's add the rocket leaves and the These are the 3 DIY pizzas. I thought this was a great idea to do home cooking, and look, it has so much stuff. And it's got the instructions. Thanks for watching.